Alright, I was debugging for 2 hours already. Hello everyone. Um, I'm still wearing the pink shirt from yesterday. Gross. Anyways, I figured out a few things. What we did yesterday, we tried to get perfect timing by switching the pointers to the DMA buffers. Yes, DTS is working. It was working, Casper. The YouTube I think works. Yeah. Oh, I didn't say hello to everyone. Jordi, Lewis, Casper, and Lurkers. So I tested. Where is it? We tried to figure out the timings and they were off, the memory was looping and so on. And what I found out is there is a difference. Oh yeah, a new thing. I need to clear the DMA end flag. And this and DMA beginning and end, somehow the pointer to beginning and end is staged. And also clearing the flag synchronizes that in some way or form. But I wasn't able, I tried for over an hour to fix that. I wasn't able to reliably update. What happened to me? I'm just streaming my everyday work now because why not? I mean, I could. Usually I want the freedom to take a longer break or whatever, but yeah, I will just do shorter streams during the week. Next Wednesday will be Oktoberfest here. We will celebrate Oktoberfest with Oktoberfest themed stuff, but I don't have a lederhose. Okay. Yeah, anyways, I tried and it's not possible. It's a little bit an odd behavior, especially with DMA and the clearing the flag. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's like really weird, the behavior. So lederhose, yeah, no, I don't have one. Don't own one. So I tried, the other thing that we tried yesterday is updating the buffer while it's looping. And what the appearance is that I see a slow update behavior as soon. This is really weird. I don't know if like there shouldn't be any caching or whatever. As soon I tried like to move all the writing whatever into high code sections, maybe there was something like it looks like if the interrupt gets too long, it slows down like it's running from Flash. But the weird thing is I tested really. If there is like some oddity, like I can show you maybe. Oh, is this still running? I hope it's still running. Wait, is there a breakpoint? I hope. So what I was looking for, if there by any chance is something like we have here like relative jumps. But if there is like a long jump like this here, that's pointing not to the actual copied section in the RAM. So what we have the functions currently they are copied into SRAM from Flash and ran from the SRAM. So what I was thinking is what's happening that there is like a long jump that's not relative. Hey Johnny, a long jump that's not relative but absolute, and the pointers they aren't updated. So if GCC, like if this is something hacked, GCC creates like the code in the flash section, and the absolute jumps and whatever would also land in the absolute section. So if the code is copied into SRAM and runs from the SRAM, only the jumps into the relative jumps would work within the SRAM. The long jumps would put it back into flash and run the code from the flash again. So I was worried we have something like an absolute jump, but then I checked the pointers, the long jumps here, they're all to the SRAM address space. So I don't see a problem there, like, wait, update video, short sync, long sync, okay. That's memset. Oh, wait a second. Maybe this is what's happening. Oh, if we found it here, the rubber ducky development, program counter. Oh, this is what's happening. My suspicion was right, but I wasn't able to find it beforehand, and now I found the issue here. It's calling a memset intrinsically, like the optimizer saw, oh yeah, we are setting a section here that's memset, and then it's doing a call, which is basically, but this is weird. That's long. Yeah, memset is within flash, and that's what's slowing up. Oh no. And also storing the program counter. Is this AU? That's what the issue is. Damn it. Okay, this is a relative. Okay, that stores the correct thing, but the memset is in. Oh, you bastard! Sorry, demonetized. I found the issue with this version of the code. The mems it optimizes to make a memset. Oh no! Oh, this is terrible. Oops, hit my camera. Okay, so issue is now this is all in SRAM, but memset isn't in SRAM. Yeah. Weirdly, you might be right. Let me try short, wait, short, long. I'm wondering, oh wait, was it only short or was it doing it separately for short as well? Because, yeah, okay, let me check again if it's only happening in this one here. If it's this one, because there's happening more in this loop, but it discovered, oh, in this loop we only writing to this section. Let me check if it's everywhere. I will do a break here. Let's run it. Maybe I should document the issue. Handle reset. Okay, here we go. That's that flag. Oops. Okay, yeah. I need to first blank sync short. This is sync long short. No, it's also. Okay, let me document that if I put this in a video. So here is the issue. Our code supposed to run uh, from SRAM, but the optimizer sets uses memset, which is a function placed in Flash, and that's running really slow, and everything is messed up. So we need to force it not to use memset now. Okay, let's do volatile. But I don't want volatile to also be doing. Okay, let's just test. Volati. Yeah, it doesn't work for that. Oh no, that's for only for definition. Okay. Let's check if I can prevent GCC to replace with memset. Okay, FNO. So there is a build flag that we can set. FLTO. Build flags are cheating. Okay. I would like a hint, a pragma or something to put it only in this section. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT how to prevent GCC to use mem set instead of my loop. I prefer some pragma in the code. No tree loop distribute patterns. Volatile. Okay, that's a local one. That's nice. Tree distribute patterns, optimization, no. 0. Maybe use that and we use the pointer instead. Okay, so let's do volatile. Volat. 32T line and then do that. Jordi, programming? Yeah, maybe. Okay. First blank also. Okay, can we fix it now, please? Let's see. Prusa fanboy. Oof. What? What is? That's like a weird order of lines that we are drawing here. Oh, Jordi. Hope you feel better soon. Okay, this is the issue, I believe. Run, stop. Okay, we have... Oh, by the way, we have a trigger for a video, which is really cool. Okay, 1, 6, 5, 5, and then normal frames. Okay, but why is it looking so weird? Oh, we are running only a few lines and then repeating. Lines total. Okay, making it volatile works. What? Perfect timings? Do we have perfect timings? No. Okay, let's put text. Let's put text there. Let's see how it works with text. Who wins? Oh wait, yeah, we need to copy that. First blank lane. No, I will stop recording because we need to fix that. Wait, this is B. B and 1. VRAM 1. Then current line 8. What is releasing? Also yeah, level black. Okay. Let's fake I uploaded again. What? Okay, let's make it more obvious. Let's destroy it. What's happening at the end here? Okay, we can see the last bits being overwritten. We can see the last bits being overwritten, or so we're too slow writing that. Our thing is too slow now because we write the sync maybe. Okay, but this solution works. Oh, there's no jitter whatsoever, peeps. There is no jitter whatsoever. Just in the start. Okay, we need to fix that. Method 3 works. I mean, method 2. Okay. Now, this is weird behavior. b line plus plus total b how many columns do we have? Columns 34. Looks like we are not fast enough drawing. Hey Markus Karkus. We are not fast enough drawing here. What we can do is... I'm wondering if it's only like every second row or something. We could test that. That VRAM 0, and then we have we take the address, and that's basically we wait only until we reach the end of the visible pixels. Yeah, I could add, there are two more columns, but we are already seeing that the buffer is overwritten while it's still like we have the scan line catching up with our method of drawing here. So I will start, this is like pixels, front, no, pixels, pixels per line, or what is it, per line minus pixels back. Okay, this is slightly, this might be slightly improving it. Yeah, we see only the last digit now jittering. I improved it a little bit. No, it's not like the last digit. Actually, there is more. So let me give you more meat here. Oh yeah, there is jittering. But not much though. It's catching up. It's catching up. Let's do rows. Text, buffer, C and R. So we see yeah, we can see the last two still. Sometimes we're too slow. Okay, I could move stuff around. I'm wondering if we can catch up. And why is it so... Okay, let me check if I'm right with that. Let's add 100 pixels. Yeah, we can see already here, but why is it? No, this is the counter. It's the frame counter here. It's supposed to change. Sorry. Oops. Yeah, no, that's correct. No. We could improve it. No, we cannot improve that. We really need to improve how fast it's rendering here, or hmm. If I remove that part, it probably never jitters because we are just late with the interrupt. Yeah. Sometimes something happens, maybe, but uh, what I see happening is that running code, even though this is high code, it should be, yeah, it's mem copy again or something. No, wait, first blank. I mean, sorry, was in the wrong line. Init video, no, update video. Huh? Wait, what? Maybe there is an issue still. Okay, this is perfect. When I use that. Yeah. But this should be high code as well. It's weird. Okay. Yeah, clear. This is now the clear flag that was missing last time. How that, Casper? What's the... Ah, yeah, then pop options, yeah. Yeah, actually I don't want it to be not optimizing at all. I just want to there is another option what ChatGPT said, basically no tree loop distribute patterns, and then we could pop that as well. We could try that. It probably is better than the volatile. Try it. Let's try that. because it writes an actual variable on the stack, possibly. Yeah. Push pop. What was that pragma? GCC push. Options. Pop options. Okay, and then let's remove volatile here. Didn't fix it, but it's still doing its job. So actually that might be that is working. So let's okay. But also we can try. What happens if we do them inline instead of high code? That would prevent few jumps. What else is going on? There's one weird thing. Now that I see it, what's happening down there? It's like clipped. Huh? Oh, wait. Current line -10. Oh, we need the first blank of both lines. And the rest is basically without the if. Let's fix that. So there is a blanking thing. Current line rows, and now we need to remove not current lines blank front. Minus line sync. Yeah, that's done by GCC, Casper. Also doing it here. Yeah, that's done by GCC. I believe it's that should be optimized. Okay, I don't see anything except here. There's like one flickering pixel. And also, why do we have... Oh, we can also blank phase. Let's optimize blanking phase. We're not starting. I need to check, set the columns correctly and rows. So we are at 32. This is weird. Let me drop the camera a little bit. Where's this coming from up there? I'm calculating something wrong. Lines blank front. We have like two lines that are... Yeah, I know, but why? Why is the counter there? We have lines blank front. We'll figure everything out and fix it. First blank, we have two lines that we blank here. Okay, we have current line is greater equal that, because we have like blank lines, but still doesn't do anything. Wait, did it compile even? Yeah, it compiled. So this should be a blank line, like black. And then we have a render line. Also, what's happening here? What is happening there? Is there like a shift? It's so weird. The zero is shifted as well. Just starting from there. Oh yeah, hocus pocus. Oh, let me do manual focus here. Ship it? Nah. Looks like we have complete shift here somewhere. We should draw a character where we can see that. It's a feature. No, I want underscore. Oh yeah, underscore minus 32. The underscore shows if we have line shifts there. Oops. Oh, the line shift is already happening here. So this is no good. This is no good. Let me think. If it starts at B0 at 0 VRAM. Yeah, this is wrong. We are writing the wrong buffer, I believe. Yeah, here we go. This is not correct. 65. Oh no, this is correct. So we want to write the other buffer. I swapped from current line to B here. That was the error. Okay, now we are fast enough. But now we need to figure out what's happening up there. Okay. Sync. We are testing. We are greater than. Wait. What did I do here? That was weird. Render line is current line minus line sync. Okay. Now it's fixed. Okay. Now let's fix the front porch here. Oh, finally we get some results. We want to write columns. Column indices. Yeah, we are clipping something in the front. So let's fix that. Pixels blank front. Do we fix that here? Lines, oh wait, no. Pixels front 32, huh? That's weird. Pixels front. Back is basically pixels per line. Let's calculate it automatically. Minus pixels sync minus pixels front, no, minus xres. Okay, start again. Still working. Okay, now we need to, but why is it 42? So, okay, let's do 50 then. Okay, this is now adjusted. Now we need to add more columns. We are capable of doing that, hopefully. I add 36 columns. All right, let's record that. Let's make it full screen here. Oh wow. One more column. 37. It's a weird number. Is this a prime? Oh no, it fits. 37. Whoa! Look at that. We have a full screen. We can maybe fit even one more row. 34 rows. 40. Yeah. It actually fits. But what is happening down there? Last character. Is this the stack? Are we interfering with the stack? No, I think stack already overwritten the last character here. Look at that. Or am I wrong? Why is that character not there anymore? Uh-oh. Look at that. It's the last variable or buffer in the RAM, and anything that comes after that. Oh yeah, I think the order is reversed. Anything after that is the stack. Something's weird happening there. Okay, let me change that. Let's see if it's this shouldn't be looping or whatever. The character. It's weird. Let me do, what is this? Rows -1 calls. -1 and then a B. It's gone. It's not there. Let me write it in the interrupt. Here. Nope, it's not shown. I don't know why. It's just not there. So weird. Let me switch volatile current line. And then if everything breaks, we know it. Nope. Heh? Okay, it's something in the code. Oh, you're right. Oh, yeah, you're right. Because we can't use constants here. Damn it. Okay, you're right. Everything is alright. 34 columns. STM32. Enrico, no, it's the CH 570. 10-cent RISC microcontroller. It's still weird. Ah. Hard-coded numbers, it's always a mess. Okay, I removed that. Okay, now it's fixed. Well, it's really, really cut up down there. It's like maybe, yeah, we maybe less clipping. Let's try pixels front. Let's move it like 48. I don't think. Now we clip down there. Whatever I do, it's wrong. Okay. Rest well, Jordy. Bye bye. Now I won't be streaming for the whole day. So this is worse than there. So let's clip it rather. Wait. 49? Was it 49? I wanted 49, huh? Some clipping here, some clipping there. I rather want 50 here. 50 and blank lines 20 maybe. All right. So how is it that do we have blank lines back should be lines total minus lines sync minus lines blank front minus x res y res. y-res and what do we do with the rest of the blanking here? Or text should be maybe rows and columns. Let me move that up. Rows times 8 y-res. Okay, now we have some extra lines down. Oopsies. Oh. Lines buffered. Nobody needs that. Here. Lines visible. Oh, interesting. I'm not using that anywhere, do I? Yeah. I should be removing that. The only thing that I'm wondering is why the last lines are not repeated. I'm not doing like write anything blank there. Oh, yes, I'm doing. Level black, here it is. And we should only do it if just fill the two buffers +2. Only filling the buffers for the writing the buffers when they are done. But this is okay. I like that. Okay, we have a perfect method. People, we have a perfect method of, wow, no jitter, completely stable. Thank you for the bits. We have a perfect method of displaying high-res text here. We need a better font. And oh, next on the list, let's check the list. That will be, I need also to check that in. Okay, here we go. So, scan line interrupt. This one worked, check. This one didn't work. Wait. We fixed that. Scan line interrupt is done. We have next thing is run length decoding. Run length encoding and decoding. So some rickroll today. Where is it? I have already started to prepare that. Here. That's too too many lines per. We need something that fits within the SRAM that we need, like the next frame for. Oh, we can check that. So basically, let's compile. Oh yeah, we can remove that. We don't need this method anymore. We don't need this method anymore. We don't need this method anymore. We have a perfect method right now. So let's keep that. Also want to check that in, so you will be able to mess around. Oh wait. Sonic, what? You did something? What? Oh. Maybe because you are live. Where is it? I don't see it. We're live code share or something. Oh, beforehand? Okay. Yeah. Let me fix that. You didn't change anything, did you? All right. So let me. My hair is so messy. No. Okay. Let me also remove this here because we don't need having that here. And now we can also check it's still compiling. We have roundabout, I would say that would be 6 kilobytes per frame. So we can load from flash 6 kilobytes. We can buffer like a run length encoded frame and then display it. I'm wondering if we can just 60% used. Wait, it says it's so we have less. 60%, we have 5 kilobytes. Let me check if it's still running perfectly. Yeah, it is running. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now let's do the PWM again. So that wouldn't work as nicely as I thought. We can do half the resolution. And Y, that would be 140. Whoa, that's a lot of frames. I don't even know if that fits into Flash. Yeah, that would work. The first frame is the worst, then we just store the difference. 144 kilobytes of. Look at that. It even has an mistake. 16-bit, but 144K. Yeah, that doesn't work. ASCIIized. Yeah, probably. Yeah, might be. We would need some clipping. And what is 37 by? What is our thing? I close all except all close others. Yes. Where is it? 34 by 37. Wait, calls 37. 34. Okay. Yeah, it totally works. But we don't have color for that. We don't have a color buffer. We might need color for the characters. We could encode. How many characters do we even have? We have 96 or something. I think our font is 96 characters only. Yeah, 96. Now we can only store one bit. One extra bit there. Very blocky. Quarter pixel graphics. Oh wait, we could do ASCII art like density for each of those, and then pick. Oh, I don't need run length encoding that. The bad apple compression is an issue because I need the RAM for the whole frame. I wouldn't be able to do like a sequential decoding. So the only thing that would work there. Yeah, no, it's a little bit difficult because we can do scan line by scan line if we decode that. So actually, like run length encoding or GIF could work, or GIF for the graphics. Yeah, but this I don't want. Yeah, let's do full resolution. I like that more. Full res. Can I put it here like that? Yes. Okay. And this is still like there is some clipping. I would need to prepare the video in Resolve. Let's start DaVinci Resolve and filter the video a little bit so we are able to. I hope that doesn't mess around with my streaming. we could clean up, or you give me a clean up version, MP4 version of Rickroll. If you have a link, I can also download from YouTube or whatever. I just need to remove the background because that's messy. Oh, there is a new version. Yeah, skip that for now. Oh, look at that. That's skip. Okay, here. This is me making covers for YouTube. It was a disaster. Yeah, didn't help with the views on that video. Okay. Yeah, you want to see I do put my workspace on a single screen, and here we go. New project. Brick. Change. Yeah. I want media pool here. Can I change this? I can't move it. I would need to move it over here so you can see everything. Oh. Okay. Oh, there is not even an audio. Yeah, nice. Okay, that will work. Let's see if... No, there is like every frame. We don't even need... We start looping from here. Okay. That's good enough. Now let's remove the background. Also, there's like quite some noise, like compression noise. First of all, we want to add serial, and we remove the background first, I believe. Okay, background will be like that. Add no alpha output. Okay, now invert it. Wait, what? Oh yeah, here. And let's fix that. Is this saturation? What's the... Or we use the mask. Oh, that's the luminance, I believe, is the issue. There is a lot of noise. Okay, let's use another filter. Let's reset that one. And let's try that. I hope I... Here we go. Let's track him. Here we go. We can do also radius shrink better. Let's do better. Yeah, that's good enough. And oh, do I need to redo? I need to redo with better. Okay, let's play it. This is our rig. Now we might want to clip him. The resolution, the output resolution should meet maybe our resolution here. So what did we have? Let's check the code. I think that was basically what we can see. Just multiply that. So we have, it might be like one row more or less, but I take the multiple of 8. That's quite good. Okay, that's 37 times 8. Oh, that's 296. Okay. We could do full 300 there, X-res, because the 2 pixels, yeah, actually not. The 4 pixels are not there. Times what do we have? 34 times 8. 272. That will be our resolution, timeline resolution. Let's do that. If I change the timeline resolution, the tracking will be gone. It's a little bit messy. I don't know if I even can do this now. Okay, I can. Forgot 296 times 2, whatever. What was it? 272. 72. Frames per second. Is it 30? Yeah, we also need to change that to 25. No, we do 50 frames per second, but we can't interpolate. So I would do rather 25 frames per second. Otherwise we have some like jerky behavior. So let's do 25. Video monitoring. 25p. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, now let's run that again. Oh, it's completely gone. Okay, let's reset again and do it. Come on. Okay, we need better. We should also, oh yeah, I messed up because we need to zoom in a little bit more. Not effects, where is it? Inspector. He's going out of frame. Little bit less. That's looking right. Let's reposition, recenter. A little bit too much. I would say 3. Okay, that's nicely framed. Let's add the effect again. I will reset. Some things work. Oops, the last one is not great here. And better. Tracking. Do we do a dark background or a bright background? We can leave black, but we can also do white in the background. I like the white actually, but it might be flickery. We can, you know what? Let's do both. How is it looking like? Oh, we have some odd behavior here. Here. Terminal hacker, matrix, green. Oh, we could actually do green. I don't want this to show up. How do I do it? Let me remove. It crashed. It doesn't react at all. Oh. Here we go. Okay, let's track it again. What's going on, dude? AI is struggling. Huh? Dudes, just track it. Is this a bug? Do I really need to? I don't want to add this to each of the frames. This is like terrible. Oh, it starts from here. It's tracking backwards. Okay. But I also want to track it forward. It wouldn't. Wait. It's now here. It is almost 3 o'clock during the day, but I don't know. Quick track, overall track. Let's remove everything. Currently, whenever I work, I try to stream, except it's boring. dude. Also, let's put everything that could go wrong, and now let's track it from the beginning. It was better. There was a special person tracking option before, and now they removed that. But this is good enough now. Oh, there is one. Oh, damn it! Here. Come on. Boop. It continues to track from there. There is also one. I think we got it now. Weird. Oh, wait. This is weird. Here, this shouldn't be there. I believe. But what implications do we have from that? Huh? No. Okay, the last one is weird. There is some gloss. I think this is just some gloss and it's reflecting. So let's track again and leave it like that. I'm over engineering. Oh, struggling. Stream was struggling. All right, we got this. Now let's add effects. We need generators and we need... Do we do a gradient or a solid color in the background? Yeah, let's do solid. We could also do... Here, flip the order and then... Here we go. Now we also want to remove some noise from his face, make it smooth, because that still looks like a lot of points for our run length encoding. What is this? Why does it show like that? Okay, yeah, anyways, effects. What do we have? Compression, color compressed, no. Denoise. Noise reduction. Oops. Is there a mask going on here still? What is... Wait a second. Oh no. Huh? What is there? AI magic mask, and this is... better. Oh no. They remove my... Need to recalculate. But what is this? External key. Here we go. Okay. Now, also, why is this? Is this HDR? That's why it's looking pinkish. Strange. Okay. Chroma seems to be fine, at least for me, but you can gang it up. Spatial. Let's remove. So temporal, that's just first and next frame. Radius, medium, or large. Yeah, this will be perfect for conversion. Okay. Dude. Run. I like that. Untitled rig. Let's put it in here. MP4. Wait, I need to timeline frame rates, timeline resolution, should we variable bitrate? Maybe we should do quality. I don't want any compression actually. What would be supported that has... Yeah, let's try that. Let's render it. Pop, pop, pop. Is it done or what? Yeah, it's completed. Okay. All right. Boop. We should respect the resolution. I will change that in the code so it's are you still there, or is my stream broken? I will just close that one. Wait, what did I close? I'm still streaming. Okay, nice. You were just bored or preoccupied with your stuff. No! Where's my... I closed the window for that. Okay, here we go. Yeah. No. Where is it? Dude, read me chat. Huh? To do, yeah, that's that. Not PDM, run length encoded video, that's the resolution. A text area. That's styles. 296 and 276. It was almost there. 276, yeah. Well, I think it was 276. We don't need anything here. Oh, we don't need to reduce the detail because we fixed that. Oh, there is some extra noise though. We have 12 levels of grayscale for him, for our PWM range. I'm wondering if we can increase the gamma here. No. Make it look nicer. Let me reduce the gamma. Nope. This looks the best still. Oh yeah, I want to change also the details. I don't want it to reduce anything. Let me see what we got. Yeah, that's a lot. 270 kilobytes. 9 kilobytes per frame. All right, all right. Not the best, not the worst. How to reduce that? Fewer colors. The stripes here, they are quite evil. With run length encoding. That looks alright though. 5K. I'm wondering how much the transparency does. Maybe it harms us as well. What should I do? Self posterization. Posterization, you mean like the banding there? Or what do you mean? Posterization. What is posterization? Oh, there were black blocks. They are here. Yeah, you mean that. Yeah, that solves that, yeah. If we reduce like to 4 colors, probably even more. That's weird. 5, 6, 7. Oh, that I like that one. We have some dark spots, but not that much. Seven actually looks nice. Look at that. 5 kilobytes. Alright. 7 levels it is. I like the alignment of the color. Another world? Yeah. Alright, so I want to remove the... Oh, first of all, I will say level 7. I let me change that in code here. Cell shading, yeah, basically. At 7, and we have clipping, bright clipping 255. Let's remove that. And I wanted to remove transparency altogether, so basically that. Yeah, I was talking to Tony yesterday because she does some like her new job is about AI in e-learning or learning in universities, and I told her that I noticed when I used Chat GPT that every iteration I used on the code got shorter, and what happens is I believe that OpenAI tries to compress the context, and every time the code is like more and more compressed. Look at that, it's really looking ugly, and the readability is like spaghetti code. So I believe like that OpenAI tries like to reduce the context to save some energy or whatever on the tokens. At least it looks like really messy now. Look at the code. Usually it would be very verbose with the comments and very generous. X, where do you see? Wait, let me check. Oh, that's just the run length encoding. It would encode up to 255. Oh, Lister. Oracle is a patent troll. So, what kind of jerk is there? Okay, we have no transparency now. No transparency. Each object is around about 6 kilobytes. It's so weird. Offset is 1. We can also do offset 0. That doesn't do it. Do I need to preview that? Oh, wait a second. We're using 2 bytes for individual pixels. Seven. How often do we have like single pixel? That looks like a waste of space. Anyways, let's see if we can make that run. We have a frame with almost 8 kilobytes here. That's not good. What? What did you see? Oh, wait. 72. Am I wrong here? Okay. That might be causing also issues. 6 kilobytes. 6. That's 8. That's like a really jerky. 7. We could reintroduce the compression, the color compression. 72, let me change that. And only like update pixels that are one color off, but that isn't maintained though. So we would need like to decode it to encode the next one. Current plus previous. We would need like to decode previous before we do the next one. So Oh wait, we don't have transparency. But the run length encoding. No, the error. I don't want to accumulate any more errors. Okay, let me try something else. We can try. Oh wait. Was there detail reduce? Even more detail reduce. We are still 92, 100. Arc. I would need a different compression method. Especially for those cases where you have only like 1 or 2 pixels. Okay. I have an idea what we can do now. We can change the encoding. Oh wait, I didn't store it. Yeah, I didn't change anything. We can do probably not, because it's doing a lot of frame refreshing in the interrupt, so we would not achieve a high resolution, a high. What we can do is we can increase the. How often do we have 255 here? Not done implementing sprites. We are implementing video. I could skip this chunk, but it's not that many times. You know what? I take that. It's good enough, and then we try just to. We can't do this. This won't be fast enough. Maybe it will. Reading directly from Flash, 10 kilobytes is not. We can't do 10,000 pixels. That's not fast enough. What did we have here? Oh, thank you for the follow. 60%. Yeah, no, we have. Yeah, the problem is we don't have enough SRAM. I would need like per frame. That's what I'm trying. That's the problem. You missed that part. I'm trying to fit each frame into the SRAM, but we have like, currently we are using 60%. We need like 2 for the. We have probably like 4 or 5 kilobytes that we can use there. Some for the stack. So if I do run length buffer, and let's say 5k, whoops, 5k, it probably won't compile anymore. It does compile, yeah, it's optimized away. Let me put it here. Yeah, only 12 kilobytes. That's the 10-cent risk. We don't have a full frame buffer. What we can do is you know what? Let me add rig. Add rig here. That won't work. My animation, oh. Rig offsets. That wasn't correct. Whoa, Eclipse is really struggling rendering all those uint rig data. Okay. It's a lot. We can only halve the resolution or something, then we'll be fine. The horizontal, probably nobody will notice anyways. Last frame and wait, counter. Oh. We halve the frame rate because we have only 25 FPS, and then do the following. Wait, is this the offset for? I hope the last frame is alright. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 21. And where's the last index? Where's the last size of? If we have 21 frames, and I need like the okay, let's just play 20 frames then, but or let's play 15 for now. GSC, I just used some 10-cent RISC microcontroller to generate a PAL grayscale signal, and now we need to run length encode rig row and play it on the screen. That's what we are doing. Frame is counter 15. Let's just repeat the first 15 frames. Oops, not current. And then we have why am I in Swedish? Swedish keyboard. Why do I have Arabic, Swedish? What did Windows do? That was weird. Wait, I equals basically I need to include, I don't know. Probably there's a key code where to how to get that. Offsets. That's frame. Wait, no. This needs to be rig offsets frame. Rig offsets +1 ++. Then we have run length equals oh no. You know what? Okay. Buffer. I could also like do rig frames plus I, whatever. Is it this offsets? It's complaining about something. Yeah, I'm not sure yet. It's correct. Offsets. Yeah, noticed. Okay, what do we have? Progmem. What is control? Picture up. Wait, what? No, not control. Control. Here. Progmem. That's only for Arduino. Okay, what do we have? Rig data, not rig frame, so Here we go. That's what happens if you use terrible names for. Okay, now 101 kilobytes. 101%. So we don't have 5. We probably have more like 4. Upsala. 4 kilobytes for that. And what we should do, we should just stop at 4 kilobytes. So or and I is 4000. Okay, let's just do that. All right, let's see if it's, oops, no, what happened? Why this thing died? Oh yeah. This is what happens if you use too much SRAM. Okay, enough SRAM. Except I clip the frame when it's done. And what I do now is, instead of showing that, I will decode the current frame, huh? That's so weird. Static. Line. Now we need to put it there. Run length line. Okay, let's put it here. GCC options. We don't need to volatile line. No. Run length buffer position will be 0. Did we call it run length buffer? Yeah. And we reset it. Position is equal 0. And we just do the following. And length 0, and then we have color 0. Okay. So what we do is we also need to put that here. How much RAM does it need? Is it, I need something really fast. I know he did PNG stuff. I would need to take a look at that, or maybe you can check it for me and then see what's in there. Zero, then do that. We get length equals equals buffer position plus plus and plus plus. Okay, that's our limit. We'll just continue drawing the last color. Okay, so this will be basically 4 Ooh, checking this every single time is gross. That's not optimized. Let's just optimize later. What's the pixels? Pixels X are LE color. That's it. Oh no, it doesn't work. Oh wait. Whoa! What? We get it, but it's too fast. Ship it. Yeah, we clip it for now. Oh, shoot. All right. So sweet. Okay, let's fix it then. Why is it so jerky? Let me check the main loop. Oh yeah, we are clipping it at 20. Ah, this is terrible. More frames, but why is it jerky? Why is it so fast? It's flashing a lot of bytes. Yeah, so bit planes. Something's off. Hey Pete! I guess we're maybe too slow? Because that doesn't look very fluent to us. Let's do... that. If it's slower. No. Oh, wait. Here we go. Peeps. Moment of truth. Oh! Alrighty. How about that? 25 FPS. Okay, we clip it because, yeah. Yeah, I know Larry and I talk to him sometimes, so I think I saw that already. Actually, we were I think connecting over compression methods like the PNG compression. What? Yeah, frequency is MCU is 100 megahertz, but only from SRAM. Flash is really slow, and we have 25 frames per second. Oh, that's cool, yeah. What I could do is a quadri, not a binary space partition compression for that. Basically, for each line, we could refine it more and more and then store the last colors. Almost Doom, yeah. This is like 25 FPS. I don't even have that in Cyberpunk. When all filters are active, I don't have that many frames per second in Cyberpunk. Alright, so let's compress it down and then we are done for today, I would say. 4 o'clock. I need to. We have many plums. We had yesterday. I picked all the plums from one tree, and we have 7 kilograms. So I need to process them today. Is it still running too fast? Oh yeah. Wait a second. Why is it running so fast? This is way slower, 25 FPS. Did I get it wrong? Let's halve the speed. Floimleys, yeah. It's a bucket which is this, I can see. A huge bucket. It doesn't fit on the... Strange. Here. Never gonna give you up. We need sound. Sound is next. You know that. All right. This is so cool. All right. Yeah, let's fix that. So great. Wait a second. Didn't I do like a MIDI synthesizer for the small RISC-V? We can do that. We have 8 kilohertz horizontal rate. We could do each line. We can set another PWM or something. Totally doable. All right. It would even be all right to stream the audio from Flash, or if we just need to access one per. But we can also buffer the 200 thingies. That's cool. Love it. I love it. All right. Yeah, let's compress it even more and then see what happens. What do we need to do for it to fit? What do we need to do for it to fit? Yeah, that looks awful. That one looks alright. Nah. I'm really reluctant to do. Yeah, that's 5 kilobytes. It's still too big. It's just the image resolution is too high. Yeah, a little bit clipped. But we're almost there. Do we lose more detail? Ah, damn it. That looks awful. No! Oh, wait. Let's fix that. I need to fix some code here, but let's roll with this rig. Let me do a better compression for that. Later. Yeah, that's what we are doing, Natsu. We have run length compression, but oh, that didn't work out. Why? This was messed up here. Oh yeah, 32. That's messy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I messed up the frame. But how? How would it interfere with the frame? That's odd. Okay, we have one clipped frame. Maybe it's too slow in the end doing that here. I need to improve the performance here. Right. No. Oh wait, we can do this. Break. Opa. For while. Hey Dutch. Here. That might be a little bit more performant. Break. Okay. Let's see if this is more performant. It's uploading. Or not. Oh, it stops because we reached the end of the buffer. Okay, here we go. No, it's still messed up. It's really like the end. The end is messed up. Let me render line. Let me test this. Just to see if it's has to do with the timings. Yeah, we're too slow. I like the effect though. We are too slow here. The comparison that the breaks, I think it is just, it has to do with the complex inner loop. But it's weird. Oh, you know what? It might be doing already. It might be doing the thing here, loop patterns. Let's remove that one and see if it messes up by just copying the SRAM stuff or whatever. I don't think that's the issue. It doesn't do copy or anything. Nah. It's not that. It's just not performant enough. Okay. We just clip at the bottom. What? That's weird. Why would it affect this? Oh, we can see, I can see some delays here already. What's happening is we are too slow. Probably because also the main loops keeps like adding delays, like the processing here and in the main loop adds delays to our interrupt, and that accumulates until the end of the frame, causing it to bug out when we try to write the things. Ah, that's sad. Let me think about it. If I didn't copy at all, I don't think it would be fast enough though. Okay, I think, peeps, this is a good state to say to say goodbye. Let's sum up. also for camera. We are already accumulating a delay in the interrupt here, and if we try to draw the whole image, it will bug out. So I need to increase the performance. I will sleep over that, and maybe we stream tomorrow while you are at work and I am here at work doing this stuff. Yeah, successful Rickroll is if you skip like 200 lines, no, 100 lines or something. Yeah, yummy. That's a cool progress. I will try. Maybe I will think about it. Try a few things. Maybe we can make it work, or I can write a better compression, because that doesn't look to me like 4 kilobytes or 3 kilobytes of data. This is more like 1 kilobyte of data at most. Maybe I can figure out a way of doing that. And I will come back with the next stream. All right, thank you for watching, everyone. I see you next time. Is there someone like to raid? I don't know. Let me check if there is if there are options to raid for the raid channel. Text English uptime 45 minutes. What is this? Bits and bytes. Is there anyone that we are following? DJs. Bitluni channel. Search and filter. Maker. Okay, I don't know. Peeps, I will start a raid on some random channel here. Computer Chronicles, Bits and Bytes, music, whatever. Oh, you will enjoy your Sunday. Bye bye, everyone. Have a nice day.